Let's see how it turns out. So that's Loy and that's Hazza. Hazza is a new guy in my videos. Actually, I spoke about him. He's the one who found my wallet. So yeah, cool guy. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. So here we go. So the ride starts now. Okay, so it's going to be a bit of a fast ride, how much I believe, because it's super hot. So no, we are not going fast actually, we are in the speed limit. Hazza, Loy, gsxr, Kawasaki, and he's trying to kick him. That looks fun. No, no! I don't want to die. And then you play around with your legs somewhere like that. It's all recording, it's all in the camera. He works somewhere, but I cannot tell you where he works, because if I tell you where he works, I might get killed or something. Probably. Something related to the belt, I believe so. Are we opening up the throttle? It's green. Are we going? We're going, no going, going, no going, 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 no going, 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 going. Oh shit. That's what you call skills. Exchanging mobiles while riding. And putting it in his fanny pack. Cool. And what is he doing? This video is good for Instagram only. This end going. Not doing that. I wanna live. That's okay. I wanna live. I wanna live. I'm. No, not doing that. No, hold hands. Hold hands.